Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that came all the way from the United States, and it was brought here by one of my friends who visited here in the Philippines, and I asked him to order for me, and he was able to bring the whole box, yeah, here to the Philippines, and I'm going to unbox here in this video, fresh from California. It was sent to his address in California, and we're going to unbox this item. So, oops, this came from Lauren, Ralph Role, Ralph Lauren, and as you can see, this is a very small item, but it came from Ralph Lauren. So I ordered two cups from Double RL, Double Ralph Lauren. So we're going to unwrap one by one. So we have here the denim cap. Remove the plastic. So this is the denim cap from Double RL. So one of my friends from Instagram have been wearing this. So I said, oh, what's that brand? So I researched online, and I was able to go to the website of Ralph Lauren, and I was able to order, and my friend from California bought it for me, and I'm here with me here in the Philippines. So we're going to adjust this and try to wear it. There. Nice. So it has a plastic snap at the back. And of course, this is 6 panel. We will see how the indigo of the denim will fade. I'm not sure if this is salvage denim. I'm not sure. And the price of this is $85 each. And it is very hard to look for this here in the Philippines. That's the reason why I ordered this kind of cap. And you know, I have a collection of caps from the different brands. We'll now open the other one. So this is the camouflage version of the double RL cap. Just the same, you have a snap plastic adjustment at the back. We'll try to adjust it. And of course the price is the same. It is $85, and this is a nice, combination for my camouflage coat and shirts. So we'll now try to, and this is a one size fits all cap. So this is a camouflage fabric, and the fit is perfect, and I like the visor, which is very nice. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye.